times that made him the star of the show. This astonishing piece of film has now been seen by an estimated 120 million people. And that's the absolute closest you can get to crashing without actually falling off. Well, the understatement of the year is to say you had a bit of a moment this afternoon. Let's just talk about it from what you remember.
Well, I've been having a lot of problems coming out of that corner, and we've been trying a little bit harder compound tire, but because of the weather, we're not too sure of what tire we're going to run. And it was a little bit harder, and we tried a little bit adjustment on the spring. And coming out of that corner, if you look, it's really hard to spot, but I spotted it as I watched the replay. The back tire starts to jump just a little bit, and then it goes sideways. And it goes sideways so quick there that I just had time to catch it, and I actually really didn't catch it. The bike came back underneath me, and I wasn't there to get back on it. And I just rode it side saddle and tried to hold myself up towards the left-hand side of the bike to keep my legs off the ground, and finally got it stopped. And as I could see, the Luke and Ellie and a few other riders riding alongside, and they were waving to me and saying, like, go get him. And so it was pretty spectacular, I think, from the other person's view. For as far as me, I just went, oh, here I go again. And then I went, oh, I got this one, I'm saving it. And it was pretty funny to see afterwards.
Is it true that your next trick is to go out and lasso a young calf?
No, I don't think so, Chris. I think I'll try to stick to racing and stick to the pavement, not the dirt.
The weather over.